Welcome to The Inspired. I'm Chirag, and in this video, I'll be discussing today's action from GoPro, Ambarella, and LinkedIn. This is just a reminder that any security mentioned in this video is simply for informational purposes only. I'm not making a recommendation to buy or sell. The markets were generally up today in a little bit of a choppy trading. We saw that at the beginning of the day, we had the finishings of what was Friday's dump off, and then the market looked for the consumer data throughout the day to push forward. Early in the day, we had the consumer purchases report that showed that they unexpectedly stalled in April, which was raising the risk that the biggest part of the economy may take some time to gain momentum. So it was tough for the beginning of the day, and we're just sitting there in choppy trade. Then later, data showed that the manufacturing expanded more than the forecast in May, as orders grew at the fastest pace in 5 months. This was really good. And another separate gauge showed that construction spending increased more than estimated. So throughout the day, it seemed like, we tilted in the right direction. A stock that really moved in the right direction, you know what it is. GoPro launched today that they're going to be having a new camera with the LCD touchscreen. This sent the shares skyrocketing up over 8% on the day and closed at 58.52. The latest model comes with the built-in touch display and features shot framing and video trimming. I'm looking at this as an important point in the stock's history because we're looking to cover and get over 60. That's our back here in January. We have the resistance level, which is set at about 60.84, showing that we really need to hold over that. The reason why I believe it's possible in the near term for GoPro to get over that is because Ambarella reports their first quarter earnings tomorrow after the market closes. Ambarella is a semiconductor of GoPro's cameras. So this has been on a tear for this entire year. As we can see, Ambarella has just been on a tear. And I'm looking at tomorrow's earnings report to be a difficult point for investors to enter. It's really to a point right now where the stock has just shot up to a crazy point that you can only enjoy the ride. If you're already invested in this, I would see this as a profit-taking opportunity because tomorrow we may look to hit 99. I feel like Ambarella has a 5% jump again tomorrow in it, and it can hit 99, but then what we'll see is after the market closes, Ambarella might dump down a little bit and come to like 95 and then just continue to recover. But it's expected to beat earnings. There's no guarantee, but my guess is that how we've seen all this momentum moving forward this entire week, we'll be looking at that to go up as well tomorrow before earnings are announced after the market closes. Another stock that took off today based on some great news, shares of LinkedIn. They moved up over 4% on the day based on some news that management was pleased with the direction of LinkedIn. LinkedIn has been in a rut. It's been sitting there under 200 for a long time. The reason why is because back on May they had their earnings and they have been crushed since then. We've seen that LinkedIn is finally make a look and move in the right pattern because Linda, whom LinkedIn recently acquired, is working on a polished course for about 50,000 actionable skills that people need for the workforce. Additionally, their sales solution product alone is seen as $8 to $15 billion opportunity. With this information that was provided today by management, I'm looking for LinkedIn to try to jump and hit over here at its resistance level. The long-term picture is beautiful for LinkedIn. The manager reiterated that analysts have reiterated their outperform and looked for LinkedIn to move into the 275 section within the next couple quarters. It's not going to happen overnight considering that it's such a high meta stock, but it is going to happen and it does look to continue to grow. If you enjoyed my video, please make sure to subscribe. And also, I have a Periscope live stream that goes on every day at 6:30 a.m. So make sure to watch me. You can follow me at the handle Inspire, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you.